taking over all the panchayat affairs, and therefore what I would like to suggest through my paper, there is a need to give special attention to improve the situation. What should be done? Because this is the grassroots reality and what need to be done. Then there is a need to have systematic awareness building and training for enhancing tribal women's capability to take over their new responsibilities as decision makers under Panchayat Raj. The local government bureaucracy is also in urgent need of sensitization to tribal women's problems and issues linked to gender bias in local development planning. The panel responsible for formulating the training agenda should include elected women representatives besides local government personnel. The training of tribal women panchayat members should be based on their local experience and elicit their involvement in preparing a framework that will enable them to analyze and understand their roles and responsibilities as envisaged under the PESA Act. And I've also given a kind of what kind of training should be prepared to address the specific need of the panchayat functionaries, particularly women at the grassroots level. The training should be both for trainees and trainers. The training module should have a focus area and relevant content areas. Framework should